Hey guys, it's Ethan from Smashed IT here. Today we're going to do an iPhone 6 LCD assembly replacement. So we've got our iPhone 6 here, 6 and 6S. We've got our replacement screen here. And tools you need for this: pendulum screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, just a thin sort of prying tool. We also need a heat gun of some sort. So we're going to start taking out the pendulum screws in the bottom of the phone. Switch this around to the right size. Cool. And one. That one. Cool. We're going to get our prying tool and just place it in between the screw and the frame there. Let's use that to pry up a bit. Once you sort of start it, you should think this for the rest, and it should just pop out of the frame there. So phone inside there. So first thing we want to do is remove the battery and drain the power from the phone. So take these two screws out. Disconnect the battery and drain power from the phone. Alright, now the power is drained, we want to remove this old screen. So we're going to take out the 5 screws from this bracket here. Make sure you keep your screws organised, so when you come to put this all back together, you've got it all in the right places. Yeah. So we'll remove the connectors for the solid screen. Cool, and so there's the old assembly there. Now, the first thing I want to do with my new assembly, before I start transferring things over, is I want to test it to make sure it's a good screen. So what I'm going to do is just going to attach these connectors here to the board. Just digitize the connector there at the back. And your LCD connector, just one thing in front of it. Make sure that's properly connected. So we put our battery back in. And some this. Cool, so it's turning on. Start with a white screen, which is nice. So you can see there's no dust or any sort of residue in the LCD itself. Last piece, so Wi-Fi is working. Now that's working, just like before. It's good. Show me messages. Make sure all those keys on the keyboard work correctly. Cool, that's good as well. Now, probably the most important things to test are the new screen, so it's your LCD white test and your digitizer test, and then you want to test all the things you've basically moved. So up the front there, that's the camera, which we've tested already. You want to test the proximity sensor. So we'll make an 0800 call there. Just to make sure that's working. Yep, it's good. Just go to your ear to check the speaker. Let's go there. Cool, we want to check the ambient light sensor. Let's move that up and down. Basically, we'll put that at full brightness, jump into the display, and we'll toggle more brightness. So when we turn that off and then on again, it should shift it based on the ambient light in the room. And the last thing we want to check is the Touch ID. Now, if you change the home button, you will lose Touch ID. So we want to make sure that Touch ID is functional. Cool. Start there, and that's all you need to do. Is you don't need to get to that point. If it's going to fail, it will fail immediately and tell you straight away. Cool, so that's good to go. Okay, so finally we are going to close this beast up. So, and that's pretty much just the reverse. We should open it up. So we get that shield in there. Get over the holes. Put some screws in. Now, if you've got your screws mixed up, your largest one is going to be on that top right-hand side. Second largest is going to be top left-hand, and the three small ones of the same size will be in these two. Just in case you've got your screws mixed up. And I'll put this bracket down here over the battery, charging port. Again, if you've got your screws mixed up, your largest piece, you go to screw, sorry, will be the one on the left. Small screw will go on the right. Put those in. Alright. Now to put in the screen into the actual assembly, there are some edges up there that these pieces of plastic will sit under. So we start by putting them in there underneath. So you're going to fit it in like that. And once that's down, you just push it down to the thing. You should just be able to go along the edges there. Just setting it in, making sure it is fully pressed down. Cool. And come down to the bottom here. And all we need to do is add our envelopes. Some tray in, and we're done.